today is Thanksgiving Day and I am getting ready to catch my flight back to North Carolina. So I have to finish doing my hair. I have to drop Harlem off at Uncle Craig and Carrie's house, and I am trying to find a Thanksgiving outfit, and then I also need 2 other outfits. I don't really know when I'm leaving, but 2 other just regular outfits that I can wear, and then I need to not forget pajamas, and I need to do my makeup because I'm literally getting off the plane, calling an Uber, and walking into Thanksgiving dinner. So yay to that. I get to eat, but I'm just getting ready. I'm about to do my hair. I have a cold, so the cough turned into nose stuff, and I don't feel bad. I just, you know, the nose area, face area is just blah. So nothing a little makeup won't brighten. So I'm literally just doing that at my house. I need to pack a little bit, and it is 8:56, so I have an hour to do all of that, and then I need to be on the road to take Harlem and then be on the way to the airport. So let's go. What I think I want to wear is pink for today, but then I was like, should I stick to like beige and nude or brown? So I don't know. I might have just put on anything. So I wanted to try on some jeans because whichever ones are comfortable, I'm putting them on. Oh my god. Well, these might be a winner. I was gonna wear this little hoodie with the black jacket, the little scarf. About these other jeans, which I do like them better because they have these on them, but I know they're a little bit high water, so I would have to wear a boot that goes up. And these are lighter gray. I think there's 1 jacket, 1 pair of shoes. Oh, it's cold in this room. And then the 3rd outfit, I'm gonna bring this with another pair of jeans. I feel like if I wasn't traveling, I would have like the outfits that I wear. I would have a different shoe and a different bag and a different jacket. But because I'm trying to make everything go with 1 shoe and 1 bag, I have problems. All right, guys, your girl is ready to go to the airport. Uggies on, comfy, airport flow. I have my shoes in my carry-on bag that I want to actually wear, but right now we're gonna be comfy. Look at Harlem, he had surgery. My little baby had surgery. So some of you guys were asking like, oh, why don't you take your dog to your mom's house? My mom doesn't even want Harlem to come to her house, actually. She told me no. So I am getting ready to take Harlem to Uncle Craigie and Carrie's house right now, and then I'm on the way to the airport. So all of his bed, his food, everything that he needs is already in the car, right? My little poor baby. My little baby, I'm gonna miss you. I want you to meet Melly Mel, but Grandma said no. Grandma said no. All right, guys, I'm at Craigie's house. Dropping Harlem off at daycare. Bye. At daycare. So he has his bed, his blankie, toys, food, pee-pee pad, and Craig will figure out the rest. Right?
Tell mommy you're good, okay?
Got all the rules. No long walks, no rough playing.
Tell mom to go. Tell her bye.
Okay, baby. I love you. I'll see you in a few days, okay? Craigie will send me videos.
Oh, so I'm gonna just feed him now.
Yeah, you can feed him now. Okay, going to catch this flight. Bye, love you. Bye, happy baby. Thanksgiving.
Trip.
Okay. Alright guys, I'm freaking crazy because I literally left every single charger for any device that I needed. I don't have headphones. So I had to buy headphones, phone charger, computer charger, all just right now because I left them. So this is how we're starting our Thanksgiving. But I'm checked in. It is so easy checking in, like just a little bit of carry-on. I already have TSA approval, like it took 0 seconds. But I'm about to go to my terminal. Be in North Carolina soon. My flight should be boarding shortly. I got a Caesar salad. So I'll eat this before dinner. Dinner at my house starts at 2:30. so they be on time. I'm probably going to be like one of the last ones walking in. So I'm just going to eat this. The flight is like an hour and 30. I needed something. Polar salad. Need some cucumbers. Oh, and the worst thing that I could possibly drink, but they didn't have Gatorade. I don't drink soda. Did you guys know that? I don't really drink soda like that. I don't know. It's not my favorite. And it gives me oh my god, I didn't get a fork. I did not get a fork. I got my bag. Hi, Melly Mel. Hi. Oh my god, you're so big. Do I not remember you or something? Oh my god, hello. Melly is so big. Oh my goodness.
You think she big?
It's been so long. Oh my goodness, hello. You're a big dog. Oh my goodness. Hi. Hi. Not by the time I got there. Hey, Melly Mel. Melly Mel. Come here, baby. Come here. Oh my goodness. You like a big bear. You like a big bear. Oh my goodness. Hey. Mr. Danny gonna say, Harlem about Melly size. My dog ain't that big. Melly. Hello. How is this big dog gonna fly with me on the plane? Oh my goodness, you're so big, Melly Mel. Melly Mel. Good gracious. So guys, my mom got a new house. I have not seen it. Oh. Let's go to the front. Oh my god, I haven't seen my mom's new house. You ready to go inside? Look at this big dog. You look like a teddy bear, don't you? Okay, ready? Let's go. Let's go. Ooh. Ooh. Hey, JD Wadey. Hey, Pumpkin. Melly Mel done got big, Jaden. Why didn't you tell me that Melly got so big? Oh my god. One of my friends is keeping him. Hello, Melly. Oh my god, I haven't seen you. You getting big, poo-poo. You getting so big. Let me rub you. Let me rub you. Yes. 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 Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. My doggy doesn't let me do this. My doggy doesn't let me do this. You're so big. Ooh. It's big, Ma. It's big.
It's open. This is a bathroom.
Ooh. Okay, little guest bathroom. I like the color scheme. Ooh.
This is my little project.
Uh-huh. Is this my room?
Yes. Yes.
This is my room. My room, guys.
My little girl.
Yeah.
Pretty soft, white. It's beautiful.
Ooh. Ooh, the office.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
This is where work happens.
Okay, this is the office where work happens. Ooh, I like the pole. The pole. Ooh. Oh, is this Melly Mel room?
Yeah, but most times we just have, everything until nighttime.
Okay. Ooh, wood steps. I'm getting a house tour.
Which mattress you like? Because you could sleep here.
Okay, another guest room?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is nice.
What you do? What you shut your door? Wait, look.
This is your room, JD? Ooh. I like your new sheets, your little set that you picked out.
Yes.
Yes. Ooh, JD, you got a whole shoe rack? Ooh, girl.
Look, showing out. You know you ain't supposed to be up here. Go on downstairs.
Oh, this is a really big bathroom. That's a big bathroom.
It's mine.
Oh, it's
Laundry.
oh, it's a big laundry room.
He getting organized.
Okay, this is bigger than the last one. Real big.
so?
Yeah. Oh, be careful, Melly. You know you're old.
Trying to get away from them.
Ooh. This is nice. I see how it all comes together with the chocolate. I like that. I like. And you little draped it. You decided to take the left one off. I remember you was fumbling with it.
Yeah, oh no.
Did you want one? I like it like this.
Yeah.
I like it.
The windows are small. You got the shoe thing that you have.
Oh, so she can put stuff in it?
Yeah. Oh.
I like how open everything is. Like the open space. You got room to move around, you know.
Sissy,
Huh?
look what JCPenney. I know, brand new shoe.
Is it a real Well,
No.
well, that's the problem.
We don't have to have Zooey Pumpkin. It was buy one, get two free. Is what we
Lordy. Well, what is Chelsea doing in here?
Well, cause if she was with you, she would be abandoned.
But what is she doing? You just
Every time I move, she popped back up.
Hi, Chelsea. This is my little toy when I was, how old was I?
Look at that
2.
head. Yeah, about to.
Look, the hair matted up and everything. Let me put Chelsea back for I'll lose Chelsea. Leave me alone. Ooh. Super nice. Huh?
How was your trip, baby?
It was good. I had fun. JD, what we got? Ooh. Ooh. We got the chitlins. We got the chitlins. We got the chitlins. We got the What is it?
I did this.
Oh, happy Thanksgiving. Thankful for my friends, for my clothes, food, mom, dad, my family, my pets, my teachers.
Okay. All right.
Thank you for this food we're about to receive. Thank you for blessing us to be together one more Thanksgiving. Thank you for our health. Thank you for our friends. Just thank you for showing us the way each day. Bless us for getting out of bed this morning. And like I say, gathering for this wonderful feast. Bless the hands that prepared the meals. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen. So guys, dinner was so good. It just feels so good to eat my mom's food again. I haven't been actually home since last Christmas. Although I've seen my mom, she came to see me. I went on vacation with her. I just haven't been home, and I'm so thankful for just like the small things, like having a place to come home to, both of my parents doing really well, and my mom's new house, and be able to celebrate wins still for my parents, you know, my dog at my mom's house, my dog at in New York, me just having a place to live, the success that I've experienced in the past year, growing. I'm just really thankful for the little things. Like, it just feels really good to be home. So I'm like in the guest room, like trying to get settled, and everyone's just downstairs talking. I think they're about to get ready to leave. My grandma wasn't here today because she's working, and I think I was telling somebody like, oh yeah, my grandma's not gonna be here for Thanksgiving because she's working. And they're like, your grandma's still working? I'm like, yeah, like she is very much still on her feet, grinding, like pushing, driving, doing everything else. So I'm also thankful for that, to have, you know, not only one grandma but 2 grandmas that's still alive and very well. Hopefully I'll see her tomorrow. I think my mom said she was gonna come over tomorrow. So I'm also thankful for you guys. Thank you so much to you guys that have been watching me and following me for years. Thank you for my new subscribers, but most importantly, you guys that have been here since I was young, trying to find myself, and just young. And I'm still young, you know. I'm only 24. I'm still learning. I make mistakes. It is what it is. But when I look back at videos and I look back at the past, I'm like, oh my God, like I was a little girl and I've grown up now. So thank you so much for you guys' continued support and supporting me and pushing me, because without you guys, I don't know if I would have the drive that I do now. You guys like just light a fire under my ass and make me get up every single day. So thank you so much. We have not shipped out any of the giveaway prizes yet, just because me traveling and stuff. But I do want to say that I have been messaging you guys. So if you got a message, you know, I've talked to you guys, but I'll start shipping stuff out when I get back. So we're just gonna do a whole shebang. Oh guys, the lighting is better over here. I'm so sorry, but yeah, when I get back, I'm gonna do a big ship out of all 30-40 packages. So I'm going to continue to be on the lookout for more people. I think I have like 20 more people to pick for this month of giving, and then all the packages can go and you guys can have them. So I'm super excited about that. But yeah guys, I'm just really happy to like be home and just be happy. I just remember being at a bad place kind of like last year, and you know, not being my best and not 100% happy, but I am 100% just content this year with just the littlest things. Like I'm really happy. So I'm thankful for happiness and being content and feeling good just because, you know. So I hope you guys are having a great Thanksgiving. I hope you are like experiencing the love from your family or your friends. So yeah guys, I'm going to head back downstairs and enjoy the time with my family. My family is really small on this side. So I'm about to go back downstairs, and for Christmas, I guess we will head to my dad's house. I have a bigger family over there, so can't wait for that. But make sure you guys subscribe if you're new to my channel. Hit that subscribe button. I love to have you a part of the glam squad, and Vlogmas is coming up, so I don't know, maybe I think I'll see you guys a few more times until the end of the month. Feels so good to be back in North Carolina. I'll see you guys in maybe Saturday's vlog, because you know, my grandma's gonna come and I want to see a few people while I'm here. So I'm just gonna end this now. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.